Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a Cobra trailer, and this is, I think, it's a fan made trailer. It's
Yes.
not official trailer.
Yes, so we have Chian Vikram sir here, and we have already done the song, which
Yes.
was the first release from the
Right.
this movie, right?
That
That
was
was a
a
very
romantic.
soothing, romantic,
Yes.
marriage song. Already you have guys, liked that song a
A
lot.
lot,
Actually,
yes.
we also liked because Shreya Ghoshal ji ka voice to we all know
No doubt.
it was marvelous and
also
very
the lyrics
soothing.
and
The
all, it was-
lyrics and
it was
everything,
super.
like it was a full marriage embraces
Full
and
romantic,
yeah.
full soothing
very
to
very
ear.
good.
Yes.
So we really like that, and now this is the trailer. This is not official fan made, of course, but it is made, I think, by Seven Screen Studio. Okay, so let's get started, but before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Lalit Kumar presents.
10 வயசுல என் அப்பனை போட்டு உள்ள வந்தவன்டானா அங்கேயே வளர்ந்து வார்டனாகி டோட்டல் ஜெயிலையும் என் கண்ட்ரோல்ல வச்சிருந்தேன்டா.
This one we have done.
என்கிட்டயே உன் சின்ன பசங்க புத்தியை காட்டிங்கல்ல.
பயப்படாதடா, பயந்தா தோத்துருவோம். இந்த வேகம் தானே நம்மளை இவ்வளோ தூரம் கொண்டு வந்துட்டு இருக்கு.
நேற்று அந்த பொண்ணை தொட்டுருந்தீங்கன்னா அடிச்சிருப்பேன். இன்னைக்கு கொன்று.
இப்போ நான் ஓடுறது என் உயிருக்கு பயன் இல்லை. என் கதிருக்கு எதுவும் ஆயிடக்கூடாது.
This is beautiful.
வெளியே வந்தாலும் சண்டை
Graphics.
நடக்கும். அவன் சாவு என் கையில தான்.
Actually, by looking the song, I thought that would be a romantic kind of movie, but the
Yes.
concept is totally
I
different
think
here.
with this particular trailer, whatever this fan made trailer, we are not that much clear what
Clear,
kind of movie
because
it
the
will
context
be. Yes.
was not clear, to be very frank, and
Right.
of course it is 1 minute 33 seconds,
Right.
that
And
much
also,
long only.
and also
It
it's
is very,
not from the original movie, so you will not be able to judge it. But yes, of course,
it is
they
not
have
an
a-
original movie. That is
Yes.
why this is not from Cobra movie actually. So this is the official, it is written that official Tamil
Right.
trailer, but
it's not.
it's not, and I think it is very haphazard. Right, we couldn't understand anything, like who is villain, who is hero,
Yes.
why they all are gathered, and why they are fighting. We couldn't understand. I
think
at least
they
couldn't
have-
understand.
They tried to make it, but it
Yeah,
was
somehow
not
it was a failure.
failure, you can say, yes.
Because for the first time, on this platform, we are feeling like that
Because,
we couldn't understand
actually,
anything.
actually, the original clips and everything is not released.
It's not
so,
released.
So
That
it's
is
very
why,
tough to
it is
make
very
that
tough.
thing.
Yeah.
They have used some old content and
maybe.
what they have mashed up. Here.
Yes, so I thought actually that this trailer we can understand a lot more thing, because that song was superb, and by that song only we can understand that some little bit touch of romantic scenes, or a kind of storyline we could understand by seeing this trailer.
Generally,
But
we used to
generally
understood.
we used to
but,
understood. Yes.
So this is
That is
not
why,
the
but
original,
it is,
so it's very tough to understand
Ah.
everything. And also this trailer they have released, I think, in April 2020. So it was before that
before
song.
the song
also.
got released.
Yes, so
That is what I also thought, the
yes.
same thing.
That's why they
So,
haven't included any part from
any
that,
part from that
song as
scene.
well. So,
Even that girl was also not there.
Yes.
The heroine, right? So yes, it was a bit of disappointed, but
But,
Chian
overall-
Vikram sir was looking damn hot as usual, and
that
was
scene
a
was
treat.
from the movie Sketch.
Sketch. That was the treat to our eyes, that okay, by this trailer only we got to see Chian Vikram sir's moves.
And
Okay,
also
that is the
one more
important
thing I love from this Cobra movie generally, you can say that icon,
The icon,
the name, it emerges like that cobra is coming and all that
Two
voice.
cobras.
Yes.
So that is very good actually, and made beautifully. The
Actually,
graphics is
actually,
very clear
we
and
can't give that much blame to them also because
no. They're not giving
originally
blames
they
actually,
haven't got any scenes.
at
and
least
all.
we should appreciate that they have made, okay,
They have
the
took some
fans they
effort.
have made, and they have included lot
Yes.
movie clips and everything to make a
look like a
look
trailer.
like a trailer. So for that it is good, but for understanding the context it is not understandable as usual, because मतलब ओरिजिनल ट्रेलर निकलेगा तभी हम समझेंगे, राइट? दिस इज एक्चुअली मेकिंग द सेंस. सो येस, वी एंजॉयड इट बिकॉज चैन विक्रम सर's मूव we got to see, and one more person was there. He is very active, right? The other person who is very active throughout the whole video. He was, I think, somewhat like villain, or who has suffered a lot. He was expression. His expression
Or
was
his
like
close
super.
friend,
His
you
close
can say.
friend, and he is suffers a lot. He has his expression is like that only. Okay, so yes, we liked it. Okay, so yes, that is it for today's video, and now this is the time to read the comments for today.
So the first comment for today is from Rahul Kannan, and he is saying, guys, master song Vati Coming and Kutti story has crossed 70 million views, and master album has crossed a total of more than 300 million views.
Wow.
Yes, of course, that is
That
a
is a
great
big
achievement,
achievement and very great news.
Yes, actually,
for everyone.
This during
Yeah.
this lockdown time, they have released this all thing. So
Yeah.
it was a great opportunity for us to spend some time with these all songs.
Repeatedly
right.
we can hear the songs, and the song is having its own uniqueness.
Right.
It is very rhythmic and very energetic. So
Right.
that is
Kutti
why I
story,
think
no doubt.
I
That
think
was-
it
that was too
deserves
much,
more than this
yes,
views,
too
right? It
much
is that much
inspirational, you can say.
inspirational. So definitely we are hoping that it will cross way more than
100
this
million,
views,
you can
100
say.
million or more than that even. So yes, we are very happy for that, and definitely we are eagerly waiting to get the
See
movie
that
trailer
movie.
released actually.
Yes.
Don't know when that is going to be
I
happened,
think
but
mostly
yeah,
end of this year,
End of
during
this year,
Diwali or
हाँ.
something, it might come.
it
we are
might
not
come,
sure.
but we are not sure about this. Yes, definitely. So yes, thank you so much Rahul Kannan for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Suryan K, and he's commenting, your reaction is so cute. I am Talapati Vijay fan. One request, Vijay, all old melody songs react, upload it in the YouTube. So yes, we have I think uploaded some couple of songs of Vijay sir's, but unfortunately most of them are blocked. Okay, I don't know why it is happening all the time. Vijay sir's videos mostly Vijay sir's video,
And, mostly,
old or new, whatever
actually,
it is.
problem is that most of Vijay sir's content is acquired by Sun TV.
Sun TV, and that
And
is
so-
the boss of giving strikes and
Right.
everything, block and
Airplex.
blockage, airplex. So I think that is why. But yes, we tried our level best. We
And also
now
we have-
also we try.
actually,
Our
we have
channel
co-
was
we
in
have covered
danger.
a lot of the old
Old
scenes also, right?
You can definitely go and check. There are a lot of Vijay sir's contents are there in the YouTube channel. Also, we have another channel called Mr. and Mrs. Pandit 2.0. There also you can find some different clips of Vijay sir's, moves and
Right,
movie
and also
clips,
dance,
trailer,
everything.
dance, songs, everything. So yes, definitely we always try, and in future definitely
Yes.
that is going to come. Okay, we will be trying. So thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the third and the last comment for today is from Murli Raman. So the third and the last comment for today is from Murli Raman, and he's writing his comment on exam Sothanagal 3, and he's saying that please react to bloopers part 1 and part 2 from Mike Set. Okay.
Yeah,
So I think
bloopers are there video. I
yes,
think their
so we have
subtitles are not there.
Okay.
That
might
is
be
why we are
haven't
not
done.
doing this.
Okay, we'll check that one. Okay.
We got a lot of requests actually, but I think I'm not sure. I think subtitles are not there in the
Something
blooper
was there,
video.
yes.
Yeah, that
Maybe.
is why we couldn't do that. But definitely we'll be trying. By changing the configuration and everything. If we get the subtitles, that is when
Auto generator, we will try
auto
that.
generated.
It's
We will
generating
try
perfectly.
that. Correct. So that is why actually we are not doing, because without understanding the whole video we couldn't get that feeling. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is why we couldn't laugh also, and we
Right.
couldn't enjoy also, and you guys also will be bored like why they are not reacting. Okay, so yes, definitely we'll be trying, and yeah, Mike Set's videos we all know they are superb. They are the highest peak point now as per the comedy perspective, you can say
Right.
comedy or fun perspective. we liked it a
Yes.
lot. Sriram's acting is hats off. Okay, so yes, definitely we'll be trying, and thank you so much Murli for commenting and for watching our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.